Hi, welcome to In Retrospect with Siddhant Rishi Prabhakar. Today I'm going to talk about overcoming frustrations and how to find your own peace. Yesterday was a very bad day for me. I was really disturbed, and to an extent, I still am today. This was the first time in the last 21 days that I felt so disturbed. One of the reasons why I got disturbed to such an extent was that I couldn't act on this physically. And I feel you guys, because you must have also gone through this level of frustration and this level of anger that I felt. So what happened yesterday was that I got really angry at one person in my organization. I got really angry and I couldn't control myself. This made me frustrated. At the end of the day, last evening, I had two options. One, to just accept the fact that this person is behaving the way they are, and then do nothing about it, just let it go. The second option that I had was to hold on to this anger and work on it, and then act on it. But I couldn't act on it because I'm physically in a lockdown. I lost my peace yesterday. And the first thing that I did, that I feel even you guys can do when you're in a situation of a frustrative moment, is that you can isolate yourself. Yesterday, I allowed myself to feel the feelings that I felt. I allowed myself to visualize what my body was telling me to visualize. At the end of the day, every journey is an individual journey, how much ever you talk about collectivism and doing it together. Yesterday, I told my mom and I told everyone at home that I need my space because I don't want my anger or my frustration to affect you. That is what I did. I went into a room and I just thought and kept on thinking. I reacted, but in my own space. This allowed me to feel what I wanted to feel. At the end of the day, you shouldn't be suppressing any of your emotions. Whether this is your anger, whether it's your frustration, whether it's your angst, whether it's sorrow, or whether it's any negative feeling, you shouldn't be suppressing them. And that's what I did. I let myself express my anger. I let myself express my frustration. This process is just called, in simple terms, it's called just being. I did not react to the situation. I did not take charge of the situation. I was just there and I felt what I had to feel. Because nature tells you what to feel. Now, once I felt these emotions, I do not know whether I've come to a conclusion now. I am still frustrated about it. I still am angry at that person. But what this allowed me to do, what just being allowed me to do, was that it gave me calm. It gave me at least that 1 second of calm that I needed. Through the process of just being, by allowing yourself to feel what you're supposed to feel, you're essentially a part of the nature cycle. The nature's telling you what to feel, and you shouldn't avoid that. You should feel these emotions. This itself is a very meditative process, where you're able to let yourself feel what you're supposed to feel and not shunning them away. As an end advice, I would tell you all to feel your emotions, to feel yourself when you're in a situation of frustration. When you're angry at someone, let yourself feel that anger. Let yourself feel that frustration. Let yourself feel that sorrow. Because it's only when you feel these emotions that you can go ahead. Once you just be, let the situation be. That is when you find your calm. That is when you'll find your peace. That is when you'll find your solace. Our personal, emotional, mental health should be our number one priority. Stay safe, stay calm. Thanks. Bye.